महाराष्ट्राचे लाडके मुख्यमंत्री आदरणीय उद्धवजी ठाकरे साहेबांना वाढदिवसाच्या मनपूर्वक शुभेच्छा. शुभेच्छुक ॲडव्होकेट सचिन भोसले, नगरसेवक पिंपरी चिंचवड महानगरपालिका व अध्यक्ष शिवसेना पिंपरी चिंचवड शहर.
जय महाराष्ट्र. I am Advocate Sachin Bhosle, Corporator of Shivsena and the Shivsena President of Pimpri Chinchwad. As we all know that we are celebrating the 61st birthday of our respected Honorable Chief Minister Uddhavji Thackeray Sahib tomorrow. And on this occasion, on behalf of all the Shivsena party workers, I wish CM a very happy birthday. As we all know that in Pimpri Chinchwad, in the last elections which were held on 2017, we have all undergone this election procedure, and the rulers, present rulers, Bharatiya Janata Party, they have just cheated these people of PCMC. They have won the election giving false statements and false statements regarding the unauthorized constructions, the Shastikar that was laid on various issues. Bharatiya Janata Party came into power in this city, but if we see today, Bharatiya Janata Party is one of the toppest corrupted party, I will say that, because as we know that smart city project is being conducted, is being run in PCMC. And in this smart city, on large scale, corruption has been done on various projects. If we see that particular area which is selected for this smart city, only that is taken into force, whereas this city is having a population of nearby 25 lakhs people. Taken into consideration, the two MLAs who are present here in this city of BJP, they have decided in which area smart city is to be done. That itself is showing that discrimination is shown by both the MLAs, and only in that particular area the smart city projects are being run today. But I will state here that Shivsena is the party who will bring the all corruption which is done by the BJP party leaders in this city. In the coming days, we will all be on road, and we are going to bring to the notice of the citizens of Pimpri Chinchwad that how Shivsena is working for the goodness of the people, welfare of the people. And in future days, I hope, and I know that all these citizens of Pimpri Chinchwad are and will support Shivsena. Thank you.
जर्नलिस्ट जुबेर खान सोबत ओम प्रकाश, महासियासत न्यूज, पिंपरी चिंचवड.